So, what is software surface speed? Well, it's not to, it will not replace a G96, but it's got me up and running using constant surface speed. It's a straightforward little Lua script running in a Lua panel. You can use it in metric, that actually says surface meters a minute, it should be MPM, but we can change that in the script, that's not a problem. So you can do it in either. Set your surface feet a minute. You can actually put in a minimum RPM and a maximum RPM. If I move my x-axis, you'll see nothing has changed, because one thing we have to do is turn it on. So if you just turn it on before you press cycle start or do anything, it will, well, it will change the RPM according to what it needs. If you decide you want to change anything in here, it will not change. It will still be running at 900 within the software. You have to turn it off and turn it back on, then it will, you know, be right again. It will reset itself. So let's have a look. How do we install this onto our machine? So first off, let's go into our screen editor. Choose wherever, what screen you're going to put it on, and we'll add a Lua panel. And I'll just stick that down here where I want it. If we go into our properties and the script section, which will bring up one of these boxes, and you should, attached to this post, you should find the script which I've included. So all you need to do is copy it, go back into your Lua panel and paste it, and that's it. If you come out of everything and save it, now I've got two on my screen, you'll find it's here. You'll have to resize the actual Lua panel until you get it to the right size to hold the script, but that's it. That's all you need to do. So if you want to change the defaults, where are we? I've stuck a little default on the side of each one that you need to change, to make sure the radio button is correct, and is all that do is change the defaults for these two here. It's a simple 0 and 1, change a 0 to a 1, and you know that's your defaults. The default startup which I've put in is, mine starts up on those three figures there, but you can change them to what you like as just a default startup, and that's it. That's just a simple, straightforward script, and that will get you running. I have tested all these calculations, and all the calculators that I found online for doing a formula to give me the RPM for a certain surface feet per minute and whatever, the calculations on here come back exactly the same. So you shouldn't have any problems with it. If you do, leave me a comment below. If you like it, leave me another comment. Until then, I'll see you next time. Was I babbling a bit?